good thing there's no one under that. Hey everyone. I know it's been over 2 weeks since I posted any new content. I came down with the coronavirus, as some of you know, and I'm currently recovering. I actually feel fine right now. I stopped with the coughing, no soreness, the runny nose is pretty much stopped. Since it's snowing today, there'll be no getting tested, so I'll be getting tested tomorrow, and I'll update you guys with that. And I am getting a phone call. Anyway, so yeah, so since I came down with the virus, things at my job has changed, but that won't impact the rate of my videos. It would just be a different time of day. But yeah, I guess we'll be walking around seeing how the snow is taking effect in my dear lovely city. As you can see, you can't see Brooklyn at all. That's nice. Got a friend here, Mr. Siegel. Hi Mr. Siegel, how's it going? Incredible. So yeah, let's have our walk. I sure love days like this. No sarcasm, but I really do like snow days. Because A, not many people are outside because, you know, they're afraid of the cold. And also, you know, most people don't know how to deal with the snow, so they fear for their lives. And Mr. Photographer, seizing the moment to take the perfect picture. Stay warm out there. Now people would ask me, hey, aren't you cold? No, because I wear layers, which is a smart thing to do for the weather. Always dress for the weather. You don't dress for the weather, you have no right to complain about it. Let's pick up the pace, shall we? But yeah, hopefully by next week, or maybe after I get tested and I get the okay to continue biking, then I'll be showing more videos of me yelling at idiots. It just looks so eerie seeing the bridge and it just goes into the void. Like, what's on the other side? Death or stupidity. I'm glad I'm wearing my waterproof boots. Almost bust my ass. I am not afraid of the snow. I'm glad I have a face shield for this helmet. The snow would definitely annoy my eyes. So yeah, I'd like to thank everybody who wished me a speedy recovery. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. But yeah, it sucks that I bought a second horn and I didn't even get to use it yet. I know some of you guys are waiting for that. I know I am. I can't wait to use it to scare idiots. But even if I wasn't sick, this weather is not for my bike. My tires are not meant for the snow. I'll be falling every which way. Oh, that's deep snow. Totally walked into that one. Yeah, it looks so deep. That's funny. Can't see shit now. Snow is covering it. Still beautiful though. I know it's different, right? You don't hear me yelling at people. Who is this guy? This ain't Zero. Oh no, it's a truck! Run! It's gonna kill me! Oh, this guy is having issues. This is why you have all-wheel drive. Church to the deep snow. I'll make my own path. My pants are covered in snow. I don't care. There we go. Let's see, can I make a snowball? Or is it too fluffy? It's too fluffy. I can't make shit. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoy it. It's a little nice walk, right? Sorry not much went on. Again, sorry not much went on. There's only so much I can do in this weather except trudge through the snow. I'll hopefully not bust my ass. I know some of you would enjoy that, but that ain't happening. But again, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting me, and again, thanks for the get well soon, speedy recovery comments. That brightens my day when I see support like that from people I don't know. So yeah, have a great day. I know it's shitty for some, but for people like me, it's a paradise. Have a great day and have a better one tomorrow. Well, I can't do that anymore, so I'll give a thumbs up.